So hi guys, welcome back to my channel Junior Absorber. Today I will give you a detailed review of Bot Rockers 400. So guys, it is a wireless headphone, and in this headphone there are many features like feather lightweight 120 grams, super extra bass, wireless functioning, HD high definition balance sound, and control for music, integrated controls, rechargeable batteries, sung fit for inches bias, OS friendly, as you can connect it via Android OS or Windows or carry it around, compact and foldable design, and 8 hours playtime and standby up to 100 hours, and charging time 2 hours. Maximum it is charging 2 hours. Guys, let's open it. So in this you can see they are provided one aux cable and one charging cable, and this is the charging cable, and this is the aux cable. And this, so guys, this is the headphone. It is having very classy look, you can see. You can fold also it, you can also fold it. See, it is very easy to carry anywhere. And see what is there, some paperwork and 1 year warranty. So you can see this wireless headphone. This is the charging input, aux input, and increase volume increase button, volume decrease button, and multifunction button. Let's on it. See, you can see the blue light. So you can connect it via Bluetooth from your mobile or via Bluetooth from your laptops or Windows, and you can see. Actually, I have ordered this from Amazon app, and it is the volume up button, volume down button. By pressing the volume up button, you can increase the volume. By pressing the volume down button, you can decrease the volume. And it is the multifunctional button. And if you are listening the song and you want to receive a call, so you can once tap it, the call will be received, and if you want to end the call, you can again tap it, the call will be end. And if you want to change the music, you can double tap on the volume up button, and if you want to go to the previous track or back music, so you can tap minus button 2 times. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.